Hey guys, I am Mama Bear to Many. I am mom to 15. We are all looking at these grocery prices and I don't even know. Yeah, I don't know. I'm in the middle of moving and we're planning on going on this big trip. And I'm like, when we get back, we need a garden. So we are going to be planting a garden here. And we're also going to be planting a garden up north. But I need you guys' help. I am trying to decide what to plant where. So up north, I want to plant inside of the high tunnel. So our high tunnel is 32 by 96. I know that I want to do the tomatoes there. I already have the tomatoes ready to go in the ground there. But we still have a lot of space. I have a bunch of strawberries up there. Now I have an automatic watering system that goes up there. I'm not quite sure. It's something that needs to be, does well in the heat because it will be hot all summer. It needs to be things that are going to be easily, you don't have to pick them all the time. So maybe dry beans or corn, or I'm not entirely sure. How would you create this space? Let me know in the comments as far as that goes, because I'm not quite sure how I want to do it. It's a lot of work. Some of them are raised beds and some of it is in-ground planting. It's stuff that I would mainly be planting from seeds, not from plants, because we're going to be on vacation and then we're going to be going up and doing that. It's things that I want to harvest kind of all at once, like tomatoes. We're only going to be going up there once a month to maintain. So it's something that kind of needs to have that level of care. Yeah. And then we have an outside spot out there that's 30 by 30. I'm thinking I'm going to do butternut squash. I'm pretty sure that that's what I'm going to do, is butternut squash there. Also, if you have any tips or tricks as far as transplanting blueberries or raspberries, let me know, because I'd like to try to bring some of those plants down here. What do I need to know? When should I be transplanting these plants? Yes, that's fine.
This is a big cup of yogurt berries and the egg muffin.
Okay. So, yeah, everything that goes along with that. I'll be right back. I gotta do some. Yeah, so I'm just trying to think this through, but my brain's a little overloaded. So there might be things that, yes, I already know, but my brain is just kind of on overload right now. So tell me what I should plant there. And then here, I'm thinking actually about making just a small victory garden. I'd like to plant herbs out front. Right out front by that maple tree. It's I can see it right out the window. And I'd like to do herbs there. I am getting some rhubarb plants from Azure, so those will be able to be planted. I think I'm going to do a row on the side of the, what is that called, garage. I think I'm gonna do a row on the side of the garage of those. I've been walking through and trying to decide what to do and where. So I think I want to do a row of those on the side of the garage. Maybe do peas along the side of the garage. I'm not quite sure, to be honest, but I'm thinking on trying to do at least a small garden and put green beans and just things that you can pick and eat throughout the season. Maybe some kale and lettuce and those things that we could eat throughout the season, and then save some main crops for up north. So what am I trying to do? Goodness, I'm not entirely sure, but I would like you guys' input. If you have gardened before and you have these grand ideas, especially if you've grown things in a high tunnel, what should I be doing in the high tunnel? In one way, I'm well, I could plant a big section of corn. I might plant some, I'm gonna put the sweet potatoes up there. We have those too. So we'll have a section of sweet potatoes. I don't want to do something that needs to be picked all the time, only picked once a month. I could do some dry beans. I could do squash. I don't want to do cucumbers. I should do cucumbers here, because I don't want to do cucumbers because those need to be picked honestly, when we're up there, we would pick them every day during season because they just keep coming. So not sure that I want to do those up there because they would just not be good. I want to do zucchini here probably if I do zucchini. So things that I'm lacking in my pantry larder is actually, you guys, I love you guys, but sometimes I say things like I just said larder and I said it fast, and so I know everyone is going to say you said that wrong. Not everyone, but yeah, imagine if you were filming like just your normal conversations and you couldn't go back and correct yourself. That's sometimes how I feel, like, oh, wait a minute. Sometimes I do say things wrong, or sometimes it's just my accent, if you will. Just the way that I say things, that we say things. Yeah, anyway, is what it is. I'm imperfect. It's a fallen world. I'm imperfect. I'm okay with that. No problem with me knowing that I'm imperfect. Let me just put myself at the top of the imperfection list, okay? Thankful that I have God's grace. Yes, for sure. Oh, he did it again. Azariah has been just, when he wakes up, he's been waking up like with a big cry, and it's just so sad, but he sounds like a little mouse or something. He's like, wah! And you can't tell really. You guys probably didn't even hear it. You can't tell what it is until it like takes your brain a second to think like, oh, was that him? By that time he's so mad, but he's so quiet. He was laying like right, almost like next to me on the adjacent couch. So it's not like I was just leaving him there. So yeah, I thought, I was like, I'm trying to like make these plans, get out paper, draw a plan, and then I'm like, why don't I just ask people first? And then by the time I get up there, then maybe I'll have a better, more concrete plan. I think it would be fun, actually. I have a printed thing of a victory garden, and I've also watched different videos about victory gardens. I thought that it would be like fun to do maybe like a small scale victory garden. Would you guys enjoy that? I'm kind of thinking maybe I would do that. I'll take out things like parsnips. Like parsnips are a really big thing, but it's not something that my family enjoys, and I could put something else in there. But just like growing, really, I think one of the things that they did a lot of times is they grew lots of stuff with not much walking space, and I think that I might try that on a small scale. I've never tried to grow like that before. I've always had paths. I've also done things in raised beds. So let me know what you think. I also have all those wood chips. I feel like I could do a section back to Eden, but I feel like if I were to do that, I would need to set it up and then plant it next year. So maybe I can think about a spot on where I want to do that in order to do that for next year. What are y'all doing in your gardens? Do you guys have them planted? We, up north, we could not plant until June 1st, our main crops. So it's just weird. We just are trying to do what we do, and we're going to try and figure it out and hope for the best. I mean, something's better than nothing. Are you guys feeling the pinch at the grocery store? I'm also not sure exactly how the stuff that I have canned, I need to start using that up a little bit, but I've used a lot up. It's surprising. I probably should do a couple weeks of just using like my canned goods and not going to the grocery store, because I have a lot of canned goods that I need to use up, and it's all the odd things. Like I ran out of green beans, I ran out of carrots, I ran out of the stuff that's really easy, but the other things are the things that I'm like, how should I use that? So I might need to get creative with some of those meals coming up soon after this vacation, because I need to use them. I mean, we grew them. They're beautiful organic produce. So why am I not using this? I just need to be better about using the things that I grew. So what do you guys think? And do you like parsnips? What do you do with a parsnip? I don't know. Does it taste like a turnip? I don't know. I think that I grew them one year. They're supposed to like go over, and they all like sprouted, and they had these things, and they just tasted rooty. I don't know. How do you eat them? Do you have a recipe that you really enjoy parsnips with? I might try a couple, but I want to stay with the main staples of things that I want to eat and enjoy eating. Yes. So what do y'all think? have big discussions down in the comments to this section, because I need to hear it all, because my brain is like full stop as far as gardening is, but I know that I need to do it, and I feel blessed to be able to have land to do it. So tell me it all down in the comments below. Thanks so much and have a blessed day.